What's up, YouTube? It's your boy. Got an unboxing for you. It's the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Um, as you can see there, come with the USB Type C to Lightning cable. Basically, that's all I'm here that comes inside the box, but I'm going to find out right now before your eyes. Now, I've seen plenty of these over the YouTube or whatever, but now we are going to see this for ourselves. Well, I am, at least. So, without further ado, let's see what we get in the phone. In the box. Okay, this is the blue variant. Wow. Okay. Wow. Wow, that is pretty nice. Okay, this actually is not my phone, so I'm not going to take all that stuff, covering off and all that stuff, but this is my son's phone. But he let me unbox it for my channel. So you just get your lightning cable to a USB. I don't want to take that out. I'll leave that for him. And get your SIM tool, Apple sticker. Wow, I guess, what is this? Some type of paperwork. Alright, well, that's all you get in the box. That's really not exciting at all, is it? You get no charging brick. So, I guess you're going to have to find your USB Type C port charging brick for this new cable, unless you got another older cable from the older iPhone. So, okay, so what you got here? Okay, you got that famous toggle for the mute and sound switch here. Then you got your volume rockers up and down. You got your SIM tray. This lighting situation really not doing too well. Sorry about this, YouTube. You got your power button. Nothing on the top. Okay, you got your USB type lightning cable and your speakers at the bottom. And you got this beautiful camera set up on the back. And it does sit out pretty thick. Okay. Well, this is the unboxing of the iPhone 11, iPhone 12 Pro Max, the blue variant. I'll tell you what, let's see what it looked like. I got here my Galaxy S10. Wow, you can really see the difference on that. Wow, that is a big difference. That is a big difference. Yep. So it's supposed to be a 6.7-inch screen this time from Apple. Got a nice weight to it. It do feel pretty solid in the hand. It do. It feels like it feel like a brick, honestly. Feel like, you won't drop it. If you drop it, feel like it might survive it. But then again, it's all glass. Then you got here my Pixel 4a. You see the size difference on that. I don't know if I'll be able to. I guess I'll be able to enjoy this size. But this is a big screen. I tell you, I'm reaching all the way to the top. Yeah. Alright. Well, that is the end of this unboxing. You know what? Yeah. There you go, the famous front-facing forehead camera that protrudes through the whole top of the display on these iPhones. Okay, wow, it do look good though. I'm not going to front to you. This do look pretty good. Too bad my camera really can't do it justice. I'm sorry about that. But this look pretty good. Besides the, do me a favor, YouTube, to those that's watching this video. Besides it being a little dim in here, I don't have the best lighting. Tell me what you think about this video quality from this phone I'm actually using to do this video. Is it pretty good? Is it passable? Would you use it again yourself to do your own videos? Let me know what you think about it. All right then. Rate, comment, subscribe. Peace.